Dragons. I'm Mr. Salerno, and this is Flame, and look who Flame brought. It's Renee. Happy Monday to you, Renee. We hope you had a fabulous weekend, and we want to welcome you to the News of Camelot. Today's Monday, January 27th, 2025. Who's ready for some math? Because we are about giving each other our full attention, right? Before we get going on that, Dragons, let's hear what Alonzo has to say. Take it away, Alonzo.
Our pledge of allegiance into the flag of the United States of America, into the republic of which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisibility and justice for all. Please stand for the moment of silence.
Nice job, Alonzo. We're so glad you led us in the Pledge of Allegiance and the moment of silence. That's right, Flame. We have been doing a lot of reflecting. We've been thinking a lot recently about that moment of silence and what we can do to either set a goal for ourselves or to remember someone that we might have thought of in the past. Sixth graders are going to do a very strong lesson today on International Holocaust Remembrance Day. That's a reason to reflect. And you might have someone special in your world that you're thinking about that might be going through something, but regardless, you're giving full attention to the people that matter most, like your teachers. And because it's Monday, I want to do a little bit of math, Dragons. How about it, huh? Let's do a little math. Did you know, Dragons, that it was actually 44 degrees colder a week ago than it is today? 44 degrees colder. And the coldest it was all month was in the deepest part of the night on Monday. It was 4 degrees. 4 degrees. So if you take 4 and add 44, that will be the temperature today. What do you think that is, Flame? Let's do some quick math. 4 degrees a week ago, plus another 44. What does that give us, Renee? That's very good, Dragons. It's 48 degrees outside of the high today. It's 48 degrees. And Dragons, you might notice that the snow is melting a little more, right? There's a lot less snow on the ground than there was even a few days ago. It takes it about 32 degrees. That's freezing point. So once it gets from 33 and higher, the snow is going to start to melt, maybe just a teeny tiny bit, right? So if you take 33 and you subtract that away from 48, what's the difference? What is that difference? If it's 48 today and we need to get it to 33, what's the difference from 48 to 33? You're good with subtraction, Flame. How about it, Dragons? If you think you know that it was 15 degrees, you'd be right on the money. Nice job, Dragons. So throughout the day, when you give others your full attention and you're paying attention in math and using your strategies, just think of today as a Math Monday and something that you can do to set yourself up for success for the last 2 days of the quarter. It's time for the birthday box. Now we have a bunch of birthdays to get to, Flame. Let's start with the 24th. We had a special birthday on the 24th. Miss Portee! Miss Portee, you might have seen her with her crown on. Her birthday was on the 24th. Happy birthday to you, Miss Portee. And then we had 2 special Dragons that had a birthday on the 25th. Miss Zalea in kindergarten. Happy birthday to Miss Zalea and Miss Rubin. Happy birthday, Miss Rubin. We hope that both of them had a great Saturday and an awesome weekend. And then yesterday, on the 26th, we had Summer in pre-K. Happy birthday, Summer. And Zach in 3rd grade. Wow, happy birthday to that pair of Dragons. And don't forget Trey. We can't forget Trey. He had a birthday on the 26th also. Happy birthday, Trey, in 1st grade. The 27th is today, right? So let's go through it. A trio of Dragons that have a birthday today. Sarah in 2nd grade. Happy birthday to Sarah. Asher in kindergarten. Happy birthday, Asher. And Patrick in pre-K. Nice job. That's a lot of birthdays that we got to. Handful all weekend. And Miss Flaherty's word of the week, we said Math Monday. That begins with the letter M. Math Monday. Miss Flaherty's word of the week, Dragons, had a letter that began with one of our music teachers. Did you guess that it was Mr. Maxwell? Right? That begins with an M and it had 6 letters. It had a synonym for having a beat or a rhythm. Yeah, look at that. Melody. A Melody Monday. That's very cool. And speaking of that, Miss Wilson, their class got it. Way to go, Miss Wilson's class and Miss Kim's class. They submitted the correct answer. Nice Good job. Nice job, third graders. That is fun stuff. Keep those submissions coming, Dragons. It's always in season to send Pace the Fish to someone. Know what you want to do. Put a note in the mailbox. We'd love to read it on the air. So, on behalf of Flame and on behalf of Renee, I'm Mr. Salerno. Have an awesome start to your week, Dragons. You got 2 days left in the second quarter. And we can't wait to see you tomorrow. Thanks, everyone.